My name is Jefferson Hu. I'm a senior studying mechanical engineering, and I'm the founder of NYU Aerospace. Those are usually just 3 dudes in the makerspace that we have here. At the time, and still, I think to this day, Tandon does not have an aerospace major. And I was very interested in aero at the time, so I helped them build some rockets. I got certified my freshman and sophomore year, and I kind of used that to kind of platform off and help build the team. Total members across all sub-teams, we had about 75 members. As we grow, we feel more confident, kind of tackling more difficult competitions such as NASA. NASA's one of the bigger ones out there.
We were one of 46 international teams that was selected by NASA to compete, and so I think we are, being a rookie team, we do have a lot of pressure on our hands competing against, teams that have done this numerous years, but I think one of our goals is definitely to come out on top and really do as best as we can in that competition.
Currently, we built the rocket, we're doing all of this, we're doing our testing, so after we just completed that stuff, now it's, we're going to actually launch a rocket officially and send the results over to NASA in the coming weeks. Before you even build a rocket, you have to think of the design. You have to worry about what you're building it for. Are you building it for yourself? Are you building it for a competition? Last year, we got 3rd place for Battle of the Rockets for overall design. We do all our designs in Open Rocket and SolidWorks, which is the advanced computer-aided design modeling software. So we use a combination of the both. The fuselage, the payloads, the fins, parachutes, all of that is all done in these different softwares. Once you know what you're going for, kind of the designs, you put it all together, the rocket, you're able to see the whole airframe, so what we have behind me, so it kind of look like this. And actually building it, you see what parts you need. So some of these rockets behind me are made out of cardboard. Other materials you have used are carbon fiber and fiberglass, such as the red one behind me. So you had to work around using adhesives, using epoxy, type of glue, laser cutting the fins out, 3D printing components for the rocket. The motor in this case is not a mechanical motor, it's the explosives, which is the fuel for the rocket. So all that goes together into building one of these behind me. These energetics always risks of their safety concerns. With rockets, we deal with explosives, with electronics. We don't want to have any electrical fires. So we take a lot of care in mitigating our risks. We always wear personal protective equipment. So we're working with shop tools, machinery. We always wear safety glasses, goggles, masks, whatever is needed. So we try to mitigate any types of risk to myself or any of our members on the team.
A lot of the physical manufacturing as well as electronics testing, all of that has to be done in person. Past year with COVID and in-person restrictions, it definitely has delayed us a little bit. I believe that it really is a testament to the grit and really the perseverance of all of us as a team.
I think the biggest challenge that this team faces is the fact that we're in a metropolitan area. Most teams have the luxury of being, in the fields. We have to go upstate.
We're about an hour and a half northwest of school, and then the PATH train was late, so it was a time. We are flying our Battle of the Rockets rocket from 2020 because of COVID. The competition was cut short. I'm excited that we're launching the rockets today. I feel jazzed.
3, 2, 1.
We're NYU's first and only rocketry team, and we have this kind of program to help people explore aerospace at an introductory level. We accept all years, all majors, all schools. The in-house and training workshop, that's for all new members. So they go through a kind of a workshop series for the first semester where they learn the important skills they need for the team. So we do intro to SolidWorks, intro to Open Rocket, intro to Arduino, and that kind of stuff. And alongside all those workshops, they do an in-house competition to kind of build all these skills, get to our level of technical writing.
It really exposes a lot of students, and I've had the opportunity firsthand to experience a lot of professional software, and so definitely prepares you for the workforce as well as meeting a lot of great people. So we have networks with people from NASA, from SpaceX, Collins Aerospace, from all these different places that we can go out and reach out to and ask questions. And I believe just being able to ask good questions, but also being able to have those networks really prepares a student for life after graduation. I think being able to work on a competition as well as a project of this size while you're still an undergrad and while you still are developing your engineering background is really important, because once you join the work field, once you get that first job, you may not have people holding your hands. You may not have the opportunity to make as many mistakes. Berg Aerospace is special to me because it's what I call my second family here at school. I've been able to meet a lot of great friends, and we didn't even dream about being as well known as doing the type of things that we currently do. I think that's really been a privilege of mine. And I think we as a team really have proved successful.
Future engineers just say, oh, this is still going on, still opportunity, again, this kind of field, do rocketry, robotics, all that kind of stuff.